Guys, this is your premix for bread. Use it for bread mixing. So what is actually inside there is flour, sugar, yeast, preservative, softener, and salt. Sure you can see it, guys. So this is our mixer. If you check, you can see the flour inside the mixer already. So I'm actually pouring in the So this is your mixer. Look at how it's mixing. About to add water. You can see I've added water. Closed. You have to let it mix slow on 15 minutes. This is your slow, this is your speed button. But first you have to let it mix with slow for 15 minutes before taking it to speed for extra 15 minutes. Adding my milk, scaling it. This is your butter. The white thing you see there is your milk essence. The white soft pan there is your milk essence. You guys can see it. Your bread is ready like this. See how fluffy it is. Yeah, this after mixing and after baking. This is your family loaf bread. You can see it, how smooth it is and how fluffy the bread looks.